Kani kadega Batesi TV, bat pidang pet yaki kubor baman kasni, balwan rasha pi da ka Orange Nissan, lom so po niya Fabricate Shillong, ringkat bat ka BDW International School Nongmansong, Langkarding Shillong. Admissions open now.
Ka Sorkar Sunrop Meghalaya Democratic Alliance yakabala lamkmat daga National People's Party haka henriu terik uleber arhajar arpau kalakan jo syagi maumer ka jingya lenti kaba arsnem haka jingyo bat yaw lakam senjar yaga jela. Kumban Shupaidien kadai haka henriu terik uleber arhajar khatpra bau President ka National People's Party u Conrad Kongkal Sangma ulabam smai kum menteri rangba jongga jela hadien ka jingtau yaga Sorkar MDA kabala kersyan daka BJP bat dagi seng reolom ke jela ba kentup yaga UDP ka HSPDP ka PDF bat ki MLA Independent. Haka jinga keren bat ka Batesi TV u Conrad Sangma ulaya tu bau lakhot ya barok ki parlok ba ya trelang haka Sorkar MDA bat ya ki head officer syaka kamra trekam jong u bat penlong ya ke jingduai ba lengkot. Ula ong ba wat la kam dadon AA ban rakhi ya ka ni ke jingya lenti nrei ke jingbu thong jong ka Sorkar kalong ban yakut jingmut biang ban trei na ka benta ka bha ka miat bat ka roi ka par jong ki pait ba nong shong snong bat ka jillahi barok kawai.
Especially our coalition partners, the officers, they have been very positive and we have always taken all challenges in a very positive manner. There has been also a sense of mission and commitment towards the people of the state. And I think that is something that's very satisfying to see. And at the same time, in the last 2 years, we have seen a lot of improvement in the core aspect which we've always focused on, which is governance and delivery at the grassroots level, which I have been focusing on from day one. And that involves monitoring and making accountability and ensuring that different kind of regular meetings are taking place. And because of this effort of ours, we have seen a large improvement at the grassroots level. I don't want to go into details, but just to give an example to you, that in the last 17 years from 2017. There were about 1,600 kilometers of PMGSY that were completed. But in the last few years that we have worked on, we have completed almost 800 kilometers of PMGSY, including the roads that have been pending since 2001, 2002. So I think these are the kind of differences that we have started seeing, and this is just one example, but there are many such departments that have worked on. We have seen many social sectors improvements taking place, central government schemes improvement taking place, and more importantly, we are looking forward to the next 3 years to come to ensure that the work that we have started and the stability and the overall improvement in the system that is there will ultimately be able to deliver more to the state and to the people, and it's with that focus that we're moving forward. In the afternoon today, I had asked all our coalition partners and our senior officials to come here, and we just had a small kind of prayer together. At the same time, we had a cup of tea together. We felt that even though there's no need to celebrate or anything like that, we just felt it's good to remind ourselves what we are for and recommit ourselves to the people of the state and the state as a whole. So yes, we look forward to the next few years, and I'm very positive that with a team that is motivated and highly efficient, we'll be able to achieve all the goals that we have planned.